The legend is back, and this time, it isn't just returning. It's transforming. This is the all-electric Lexus LFA concept. A supercar reborn for a new era, engineered to push silence, speed, and sophistication into a completely different dimension. From the very first glance, the front end tells a powerful story. The bumper sits low and wide, carved with precision, guiding air like a blade cutting through wind. Those razor-thin LED headlights flash a futuristic signature, sharp, bright, and unmistakably LFA. They don't just illuminate the road. They signal the arrival of something truly extraordinary. Glide along its exterior, and the body flows like polished metal in motion. Its long hood, deep sculpted lines, and extremely low stance remind you that the LFA spirit is still alive. Just evolved? Every curve is optimized for aerodynamics, every angle built for stability at high speed. Move to the back and the drama intensifies. The taillights stretch across in a single glowing arc, creating a clean electric signature that stands out even in daylight. With a wide rear bumper and aggressive diffuser, the backside looks ready to launch, even when standing still. No exhausts, no roaring engine, just a new kind of power waiting beneath the silence. Inside, the cockpit is a world of focus and precision. Minimalist design, driver-centered layout, and a futuristic steering interface make the cabin feel like a high-performance command center. Controls are placed exactly where your hands expect them, allowing blind touch inputs so your attention never leaves the road. And at the heart of this machine is its electric power. Lexus hasn't revealed final numbers yet, but the intent is clear: instant torque, rapid acceleration, and performance that hits with the immediacy only an EV supercar can deliver. No gear shifts, no lag. Just pure, uninterrupted thrust from the moment you press the pedal. The electric LFA isn't just a comeback, it's a statement, a signal that the future of performance has already begun. And if you love staying ahead of that future, make sure you join us here at Next Gear AutoZone. Hit subscribe, stay connected, and never miss the next big evolution in the automotive world.